Here we are going to learn about how to use constraints in Creo parametry. So let us know about constraint. Constraint is nothing but restricting a movement of entities or adding a relation between the entities. So first, let's see about vertical constraint. So this is a constraint tab. The first one is vertical constraint. So select the vertical constraint and select the line to make it as a vertical. So this is a symbol of vertical constraint. The next one is tangent. So now I am going to make this line tangent to this circle and select the tangent constraint and select the line and the circle. So if you move this circle, means the line also get moved in a tangent manner along with the circle. The next one is symmetry. To use the symmetry constraint, you should have a center line. So this is a center line. So select the symmetry constraint. Now select the endpoints and the center line. Now this line got symmetry about this center line. Next one is horizontal. Select the horizontal constraint and select the line. The next one is midpoint. So midpoint is used to place a selected point on the middle of the line or arc. So select the midpoint constraint. I am going to place this point to the middle of this arc. So select this point and the arc. So this M indicates it has a midpoint constraint. The next one is equal. So equal constraint is used to create a equal radii, equal length and equal dimensions. So select the equal. So now these two are having a different radius. I am going to make it as a equal. Now this R1 indicates these two entities are in a equal constraint. If I change this entity, means this will also get changed. The next one is perpendicular constraint. This is used to make the entities in a perpendicular manner. So select the entities. Now these two are getting a perpendicular relation. Next one is coincident. So coincident is used to merge the points or creating a collinear constraint. So select the coincident and select the point that you want to merge. Now the selected points got merged. The next one is parallel constraint. Like perpendicular, the parallel constraint is used to make a selected entities in a parallel manner. Now if you move this line, means the other line also get moved in a parallel to this line, because these two are having a parallel constraint. Thank you for watching.